So before we plot the pitch location, let me show you a couple things you can do. And I'm going to create a cell above. And I'll make that cell a markdown cell. And let's give it an H3 designation. So what I'll do is I'll say these are select, in SQL terms, select operations from the data frame. Okay, run that cell, commit that as our title here. Now I've gone ahead and pre-typed a couple of these. The first one is a range. So basically what I'm saying is give me the records, the rows 2 through 8, and the 2 is non-inclusive. So that's a non-inclusive range. Let's run that. And what you'll see is it gives me back rows 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So that's a way to get a slice of our data frame. And you notice that because it's just the record ordinal, it cuts across multiple at-bats. So we've got from Dickerson to Barnes to Tulowitzki. So this cell, pitch data frame .loc, and that's a record locator. And then as the value for the record locator, I'm saying pitch df AB. Now let's go back up and take a look at AB. So AB is our at-bat. So that's the entire at-bat for Corey Dickerson is still at-bat number 1. And I'm saying where AB equals 10. So I'm matching that column value, matching the AB column value. And if I execute that, you're going to see, since that's a single at-bat, it stays within a single batter. So that's Willian Rosario. Okay, and of course I can switch that to any at-bat. So I can go and look at the entire at-bats. There's a Josh Rutledge at-bat that encompassed 8 pitches. So that's a nice way to select out a piece, and we'll do that later. We'll use this. We'll use that structure right there to pull out, and we'll look at the way Kershaw pitched to a particular batter by grabbing his entire at-bat. And now here's another way, just a different variation on that, to show you can also say pitch DF batter, the batter column, where it equals Matt Kemp. So we can match on any value there. And again, because that's matching Matt Kemp and not a particular AB, we're again cutting across multiple at-bats. So he had at-bat in the game. In the overall game, he had at-bat number 8, 23, 35, and 54. So this cuts across everything. So if we wanted to look at the way that, of course he's a Dodger in this game, but if we wanted to look at the way Kershaw pitched to a particular batter across multiple at-bats, we could go match on that batter's name. So again, just a couple ways to use slices of the data frame that we've built in order to chart the pitches.